25 very shortly. So if you want to make your way out onto the platform and line up against the side of the wall here.
Welcome aboard 1230. Welcome aboard 1225. Just a couple of things before we leave the station. There's 3 cords up here. This one's the conductor cord. We let the motorman know when we're ready to leave. That one's the emergency brake. Don't pull it, because we'll all be up here. That cord is when we have more than 2 cars connected together. That's how the motormen communicate. There's a little whistle in each cab, and they have certain signals. We don't run 2 cars, so we don't need it. There, we're officially ready to go now. Now this car is over 100 years old. It was put in service in 1912. When we got this car, went to California for 3 years after it was serviced. DC Electric. And when we got it back after 40 years, it was in pretty sad condition. I've got a book here you can pass back and forth, showing what it was like when we got it, what it's like today. Now the bamboo for these seats was grown in Indonesia. It was woven in China. If you look at the weave, it's not only woven this way, it's woven this way. And that's called transit weave. The reason for that is when these cars were new, ladies wore silk stockings, if you feel it. They didn't snag on those seats. Now, gentlemen know that was important for the ladies. We're also have a red little wagon that we're pushing right now. That's our electrical supply. This car is running on electricity, just the same as it was when we had a trolley wire, but we don't have the trolley wire anymore, so we generate our electricity. That's how we're running. And they whistle for every crossing with the long and short and the long.
So we're heading back down the other way. So instead of turning the train around, they just flip the seats and we head back the other way. So quick little train trip.
Maybe some of the details on this rebuild. They've even got the floorboards for people's feet. Also on the back of the chairs, which are reversible chairs, as you may be able to see, you can put them forward or reverse. We've got the steps for your feet. And all of the brass fittings that are left are basically those little vent fans in the roof. When they first got this from California, the vent fans weren't painted green, so the thieves that were stealing all of the other brass off the car didn't take the fans. So we got them back here, and they were all cleaned up. And just the restoration of this thing is just phenomenal.
It's got like household type light bulbs.
And just the lighting, the old school lighting, and the rails for holding luggage, I guess. And a small luggage bag
People traveled light back in the day.
as we think of things now. But the restoration on this was originally built in 1912. I believe they got it in, I'm not sure when they got this. It's been quite a while, but they finally got it fully restored in 2013, sorry. So it's been operational for 6 years as it is now. There are 4 cars, I believe they said, and 1 more is ready to go. I think I should be able to handle that.
Yeah? Okay. That was really close up.
Yes, I bet it was. You didn't need the telephoto lens for my nose? Yep, she has the both.
I do have them both. Okay, where is it? There it is. So she punched our tickets, so they're official now that we went on the train.
991. That'd be special.
Yeah.
Motel station now, we ask that you all remain seated until we give you the signal, and we'll go up that back entrance down there.
Now, before you get off the train, I want to ask you all an old Scottish question.
Whiskey.
Will ye no come back again? Will ye no come back again? Better loved ye cannot be. Will ye no come back again? Come and visit us again, folks. It was enjoyable having you. And best of luck. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Lead the way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Send me the royalties.
You bet.
I know. You know what? Every time we get a chance to ride one of the
Brent, what are we doing today?
Go to the beach.
Going to the beach?
Letting the dogs swim in the ocean.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do a beach day. What do you think of that, Wrigley? Huh? What do you think of beach day, Maddie? You like that idea?
That's just 2 hot dogs.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Yeah, that tastes pretty yummy, doesn't it? Okay, come on. Okay, so we are at White Rock Beach. This is considered East Beach. This is where the dogs get to be free. Wrigley, are you having fun? Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, Maddie, do you need to go off too? Oh, Wrigley's terrorizing the beach.
The only downfall about this one is it has to fall off.
We are at White Rock Beach.
And way over there is the rebuilt pier to the left.
Yeah.
To the west.
I don't know, is it open again?
I think it is by now. It
I
should
think
be.
they were trying to get it open for the long weekend. So that was shut down last winter. Some boats that were moored at the end of the pier broke loose in a windstorm and took out a giant section of the pier. So they have been working, rebuilding it, and nothing's going to take out that pier down because it looks like they had...
It's made of concrete now.
It's concrete and steel beams, so it's not the old wooden pier that it once was.
Oh, that's cool. So nice on your feet.
I know, but you know what? I wonder about if there's a crab under there.
Oh, the dogs are gonna be a mess. I think I'm the only one that's concerned about what's underneath the grass here. Ah. Come on. Yeah, it doesn't do much good to shake there, Muddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wrigley, come on. Wrigley, come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on! Let's go! What's with you two? You don't like going in the water? Daddy, Wrigley, let's go. Come on. Wrigley, are you being a bully? Come on, Riggs! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, Maddie! Good girl, Wrigley, come on! My dogs do not like the water. It's a fact. Oh, here comes Wrigley. Are you coming, Wrigley? Come on. All the other dogs are playing out here. Maddie's right there. Wrigley just wants to stay where she can run. As far as they got. They're just kind of stopping. Right there. Come on, girls. Maddie is the muddiest, well, sandiest mess I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. What you doing, Riggs? What you doing? Wrigley, are you at the beach? Yeah, you can't drink that water, Pop. My mom brought you a bowl. Something smell good there? Does something smell good there? Huh? Does something smell good? Yeah, that's seashells. You gonna have yourself some muzzles? Really thinks that the seashells are edible. Wrigley. No, I think whatever was in there is gone. My weird dog is eating a seashell. The other weird dog is sitting right here, just rolling around. What are you doing, Maddie? What are you doing? Ah, sand everywhere. Ugh. They're not overly helpful. They're just getting seaweed on their leashes. Oh, everything will have to be hosed off when we get home, that's for sure.
You think?
Okay, we're about to embark on washing dogs. They are really quite mucky and horrible looking, and they know this is happening, so they're not being very cooperative. I'm gonna put this on time lapse and we'll see how it goes. It could be a bit of a fight. So yeah, hosing the dogs off. been washed, and sort of dried. We are both covered in fur. Wrigley's looking for another towel. Here, Wrigley, you want a towel? Want that, Wrigley? There you go. Nice cozy dog. Now we just have to keep them from rolling in anything for the next couple hours. Maddie is sitting over in the sun here, getting all dried off, aren't you, Maddie? Are you drying off? Huh? Are you unimpressed? Yes, you're not happy about this situation. Wrigley's just gonna keep on shaking. Yeah. So the big puddle in the middle of the driveway, that was Wrigley shaking off. So both dogs have gone to the beach, they went swimming in the ocean, and are now clean again. Sand free, maybe? I think Maddie might still have sand buried somewhere under her coat. I gotta go find Wrigley. She's up loose. Wrigley! Wrigley! Do you smell good now? Do you smell super good? Yes, you do. You're a nice clean dog now, aren't you? He's like, I'm done with outside today. Yeah, I'm gonna go lie down. I'm gonna go lie down. Oh, Dad's being weird. I should check it out. Okay.
Barbecue? Dad, did you say barbecue?
It's tandoori, Wrigley.
Oh,
Hot and spicy.
tandoori and Kashmiri wings.
Oh. Did you say funny? Is there water in your ears still, Wrigley?
Hello, Madison. How are you, puppy dog?
Where's Maddie? Oh, there's Maddie. Maddie's sitting in the sun, getting all dried off. Oh, you look so much better. You're not a big mud puppy. She had green stuff on her muzzle. We'll have to take her inside now because you want to come inside? You want to go inside? Yeah, Mom will bring the towels and we'll go inside, okay? All right.